Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to make other aeroplanes or how to make rockets. Watch the video till the end, you will understand. If you also make other aeroplanes at home or at school. Do as shown in this video and watch the video till the end and you will understand. It moves very fast. This rockets is very simple to make. You can also make other rockets from your notebook paper. It is very simple. If you also made other rockets, please comment and let me know. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Watch the video till the end. Do as shown in this video. Comment how you like this video. Please channel my subscribe and like. God bless you and protect you.